Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to take a screenshot on Windows 10. So now go to the search bar at the bottom left and typing snipping tool. And pin it to the taskbar so you can use it in the future. So now there are so many options to take a screenshot. First, now we're going to look at the rectangular snip. I'm going to take a screenshot of these cute little dogs. Rectangular snip, and I'm going to highlight the dogs. So there you go. The screenshot is here. And you can draw on the screenshot and also erase your drawing. So now guys, we're gonna take a look at the freeform snip. So now I'm gonna do my best to highlight the dogs. So here's our screenshot. We're gonna take a look at the window snip. So basically what it does is it takes the whole screenshot of the window you selected. So now click on the window. So here you have the screenshot of the window. If you want to save the screenshot, go to File and click Save As. And you can select what type you want to save it as. And click on Save. Full screen snip. What it basically does is it takes the screenshot of the whole entire screen. So now here you have the screenshot. So now we're going to look at how you can take a screenshot using your keyboard. You can press print screen or alt print screen. So when you take a screenshot, you should see a notification saying the screenshot was saved into your OneDrive. So click on it. So here you have the screenshot.